Youngster gets relief from ringing sensation by rare surgery at MGM Healthcare, Chennai. The first case to be treated via microvascular decompression surgery in India, less than 50 cases reported worldwide. Speaking about the experience, the patient said, 2 years is a long time to have a ringing sound in the ears. It really took a lot away from my life and work. I am grateful to Dr. Srida and his team in MGM Healthcare for helping me find relief to my problem.
Tinnitus is very loud ringing noise in my ear. And so அதனால சரியா நான் தூக்கம் வரல. தூக்கம் வரதுக்கே கரெக்டாக காது பின்னாடி ஒரு டேபிள் ஃபேன் வச்சுட்டு லாட் ஆஃப் அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட்ஸ் கரெக்டாக இருந்தால் தான் தூக்கம் வந்தது. அண்ட் இது ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ண முடியல, படிக்கிறது, ஒர்க் பண்ணுறது. அண்ட் ஸோ ஐ ஹேட் லாட் ஆஃப் டிஃபிகல்டிஸ் அண்ட் நான் ஃபியூ திங்ஸ் ட்ரை பண்ணோம். அண்ட் எதுவும் இது லாஸ்டிங் ரிலீஃப் அண்ட் இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் கொடுக்கல. So yeah, so அதனால finally so we found Dr. Sridhar, who was very patient and very kind to listen to the problem. And so our good பேசுறதுல we found out about the surgery and about this option இருக்கிறது. And so together we took the decision and went ahead with the microvascular decompression surgery almost exactly 1 month ago. And so it was feeling much better. Both, sleeping is much easier. And சத்தம் நல்லா குறைஞ்சிருக்கு. So I'm able to live a more normal life, which is so very thankful to Dr. Sridhar and team and everyone at MGM for everything. So thank you.
A surgery to help our patient who's sitting next to me. This surgery is something which is quite uncommonly done. Less than 50 such cases have been published in the world literature. And none of these cases have been from India. So we can very proudly say that we are perhaps the first hospital or department to perform this surgery for a patient with tinnitus in India. And that is really, I think, a great thing. It's not only that, it is also to tell patients who are suffering from this problem that there is a possibility of cure by this surgery when all other types of treatment fail. Now, you just heard that tinnitus is a sound in the ear. That is what is tinnitus. The causes of tinnitus are many. It can be the ear itself, or it can be because of a problem near the brain, something which causes a sound and stimulates the hearing organ. That is the cause of tinnitus. Generally speaking, tinnitus commonly is because of problems in the inner ear or the cochlea, which is the hearing organ. This cochlea then connects to the brain through a nerve called the cochlear nerve. Now, when Mr. Venkatraman, a young man who was in the United States, when this all started 2.5 years ago, he visited, like people should, he visited his general practitioners, then he visited his ENT doctors, and they all gave the treatment which is generally given for the tinnitus. But unfortunately, his tinnitus did not go away. In fact, it started troubling him more and more and more. Imagine having a sound in your ear all the time. It's all right when you are in a crowded place, when you're talking to somebody doing some work, but when you are all alone, எல்லாம் ஃபேன் லைட் எல்லாத்தையும் ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டு படுக்கணும் தூங்கணும்னா சவுண்ட் சத்தம் வந்துட்டே இருந்ததுன்னா காதுல தூக்கம் வராது. If you have to study, you have to concentrate, and there is a sound which is there, which is troubling you, you cannot concentrate. And that is what happened to this young man. So He was in the United States, he sought treatment there. Then he came back home to Chennai. His parents took him to different ENT doctors who the nerve of hearing and the facial nerve, and that is the vessel which is compressing, and the other small vessel is the nerve, is the blood vessel for hearing. So if you damage those small vessel, you will lose hearing. So this is, we put a very small piece of muscle there between the blood vessel and the nerve, making sure that the blood vessel stays away. And this is at very, very high magnification, almost 20 times magnification. The nerves are very, very delicate. So this is what has been done, that graphic shows you what has been done, and this we are zooming out. So this is what in short was the surgery. Less noisy